In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate any image with Google AI Studio. I'm starting here on my computer, and the first thing I'm doing is opening a browser and heading over to Google AI Studio. Once the page loads, I'm signing in so I can access the full dashboard and all the AI creation tools. Now that I'm inside, I'm looking at the left-hand menu and clicking on Build. I'm selecting that now because this is where all the creative generation tools are located, including image and video workflows. Once I'm in the build section, I'm choosing animate images into video. I'm clicking on it now because this feature allows me to take a static image and turn it into a moving animation using AI. At this point, I'm looking near the prompt area and clicking the plus icon next to the microphone. I'm selecting that now because this is where I can upload files that I want the AI to work with. Now I'm clicking upload files. I'm selecting that now, and a file window opens so I can choose the image I want to animate from my device. Once the file browser opens, I'm selecting the static image I want to animate. I'm clicking on it and uploading it into Google AI Studio so it becomes available for processing. After the image is uploaded, I'm moving to the prompt box. This is where I describe the type of motion or animation I want to see. I'm typing clear instructions so the AI understands things like camera movement, object motion, or scene animation. Now I'm reviewing the prompt quickly to make sure it matches the effect I want before generating anything. Small details here can really change how the animation turns out. Once everything looks good, I'm clicking build. I'm selecting that now, and the system starts processing the image and prompt to generate an animated version. After a short moment, the animated result is generated. I can now preview how the static image has been transformed into a moving video based on my instructions. If I want changes, I can go back and adjust the prompt, then run build again to refine the animation until it matches what I had in mind. And that's it. You've now seen how to animate any image with Google AI Studio, from selecting the build tool and uploading an image to describing motion and generating a fully animated video using AI.